Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So I already know that y'all know what time it is just by looking at me. That's right, it's time for a haircut. So I only really just started cutting my hair like 2 years ago because I really just got tired of driving over 50 miles just to go get a haircut. Even though the barber was really affordable, it was only 20 bucks. But I'm like, the amount of money I'm spending on gas, girl, just buy some clippers and learn how to cut your own hair. So today I'm going to be showing you how I cut my hair. I'm going to be going in with my Wahl Magic Clippers, and I always start with the number 4 guard. This is my go-to for the sides, and I like to work from front to back. Since I go for a tapered cut, I use the 4 guard to taper the sides and the back, but gradually. You're going to see me constantly touching my head throughout as I cut it, but that's because it's all about how it feels. I can tell when my hair is at the right length by the way it feels under my hands. One thing I'm really careful about is the nape of my neck because the hair there is thinner, especially in the center, so I don't like to go too low because it can end up looking like a bald spot. That's just how my hair's always been, probably from wearing all those tight ponytails when I was younger. Here, I'm just picking out my hair some as I get ready to cut down the top. Next, I switch to the number 6 guard. I like to go around the sides and the back again, but this time I start in the middle up a little bit higher and bring it down to the back. This is all just to blend everything together so that it looks seamless and like a gradual taper cut because you don't want to see any lines. Because I like to keep the top a little bit longer, this is really all about just making it neat so I don't take it down too much. And to be honest, I actually could use scissors on this part, but to be honest, I'm actually a little bit too chicken. Next, I grab the 3 guard. When I start with the 3 guard, I like to go in an upward motion close by the ears because it's going to help me to get a nice close cut. I also like to make sure I get a nice sharp line, especially around the ears. I also take the back down a little bit more, but again, like I said, not too much because obviously, I don't want any bald spots. Next up, with the guards completely off, I go around my ears to make sure everything is nice and sharp. You have to be really careful with the ears, especially with the guards off, because it's a nick waiting to happen, trust me. I shape up the nape of my neck just a little bit because I don't like it too sharp, just a nice, soft line. And then finally, I go over the entire head with the clippers just to make sure there's no scraggly ends and everything is nice and clean and sharp and even. And that's it. I check the shape one more time just to make sure that everything looks right and feels good. So that's it. I'm done. My haircut is really more about the shape for me. I'm not super precise with it. I like it nice and tight on the sides and a little bit longer up top. So I'll show you guys the back. So if you guys like this video, which I hope you did, make sure you hit that like button. Also, comment down below and let me know. Have you ever tried cutting your own hair? And are you a little bit more confident in trying to cut your own hair now that you've seen me do it? Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications because you do not want to miss any videos, especially my next video where I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair once it's cut. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.